What you choose says a lot about your current situation. Personality tests can be very interesting to take part in. There are many different kinds of personality tests, but one of them is best known so far is the Myers-Briggs personality test. It is a trademark of a personality test. It's not only informative but fun too. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show some optical illusion to you, and you have to say honestly what you see in the picture first, and then I'll tell you your personality based on what you see in the image. Now take a look. This is optical illusion number 1. I am giving you 10 seconds. See the picture and let me know what you see in the picture. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Now, tell me honestly, what do you see? A crocodile or a boat? Now, if you saw a crocodile, you are most likely someone who tends to look at the bigger picture of things. You may take little things for granted, like walking through nature, as you don't see the overall importance when there are bigger things you can focus on. Now, if you saw the boat, you have got a good eye for small details, and not much gets past you without noticing it. You are often described as a unique, quirky, and a creative individual. But don't get too caught up on focusing on little details and forget about the bigger picture. This is especially important if you are an artist or a student. You can get wrapped up in one small part of project and forget to complete the entire assignment as a work. Now, let's move on to optical illusion number 2. See the picture for 10 seconds and let me know what do you see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. If you saw the pillars first, it points out that you prefer comfort and security over most things. Accomplishing your big goals in life will not be possible unless you learn to break out of your comfort zone. It is also a sign that you focus on dreaming about your goals too much and not enough time actually working on them. Now, if you saw the people first, means you are a free spirit who's ready to leave your current surroundings at the drop of a hat. Life hardly seems dull to you. In fact, it is full of incredible people and adventures. You are curious and a kind soul, but don't wander for too long. Be ready when the right time comes to settle down. Now it's time for optical illusion 3. I'll give you 10 seconds. See the picture and let me know what do you see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you saw an old man, you are most of a sensitive, gentler soul who is very empathetic of others. Because you saw the old man first, it also points to the possibility that you use your right brain more than you do your left. It's more creative, artistic hemisphere of your brain, indicating you are more of artsy individual. If you saw the woman, most likely more of an analytical and thoughtful, calculated person compared to those who saw the old man first. You use the left side of your brain more than you do your right. Your analytical and thoughtful mind will serve you well in your life, but you can come across as a cold-hearted at times when you are just trying to be practical. Don't try to hide the side of you that wants to believe good in people, even if your analytics tell you a different thing. Don't let shut off from others. Now it's time to show you the optical illusion 4. See the picture. I'll give you 10 seconds again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. If you saw the car, means that freedom is very important to you. Traveling is dear to your heart. The ability to hit the road and go on an adventure is something you highly prioritize. You take life at your own pace and do what comes naturally. If you saw the man with binoculars, it indicates that you are a more analytical person. You tend to focus on big picture and disregard minor details. You are a visual learner and pick up lessons quickly, but you want to make an effort to pay a bit more attention to the details as important things can be lost there. If you saw letter A, this is arguably the most difficult thing to see first, but if you saw letter A first, it means you have an eagle eye, unmatched by anyone. You tend to be more detail oriented than most and are highly intuitive. You usually are able to pick up on subtle hints that might go unnoticed by many others. Now it's time to see the optical illusion 5. I'll give you 10 seconds again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. This is a famous drawing, All is Vanity by Charles Allen. If you instantly notice the skull, it tends to show that you are a bit of a cynic or realist. And understand and always remember the beautiful things won't last forever. If you saw the woman looking into the vanity, it might betray the fact that you are a bit naive, unaware of looming threats and consequences. Neither of them sound very cheery, so let's move on. Now, this is the next optical illusion. I'll give you 10 seconds again. See the picture and let me know what do you see first. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. If you saw faces first, it means you are very people oriented or you have people on your mind most of the time. You tend to be more of an extrovert person who gets their energy from social interactions. A socialite who likes to be the life of the party. Just make sure that you have to surround yourself with right people who are positive and supportive. Saw the candlestick first, you are more of an introvert. People are not on your mind as much as those who saw the faces in the image first. You tend to be more caught up in your own thoughts. You like being at home more than you like going out and being surrounded by lots of people. Enjoy being alone or with a few close friends. Now it's time for optical illusion number 6. I'll give you 10 seconds. Your time starts now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now, if you instantly see a face in these flowers, it indicates your ability to see patterns and draw conclusions from your surrounding. And if you only saw the flower and not the face, it indicates that you are in tune with the nature. You are capable of away from it all and appreciate your surroundings. Now that sounds much better than the skull one. I hope you like the video, friends, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel Kritika Decodes. So much, friends. Take care. Bye bye.